Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. So here, I think if you've been following my videos, you will know that now we are most likely going to get into the area between 3,350 and 3,600. The reason is that we broke below the target area in green here, which was relevant for a reversal to the upside without making a new low below the June low. So that means we cannot uphold at the moment reasonably the 1-2 setup anymore, which means that it is not sensible basically anymore to see this as a 5-wave move up. As you can see here, we had a 1-2 1-2 as a possible option. It was also possible to count all of this as a wave 1 and then the wave 2 down, but again, it didn't work out, and we now broke below the last support basically, which was this wave 2 low here at around 3,720. Oops, someone's calling, just let me switch that off. But we talked about that. If we lose this level at 3,720, then we have to assume that we are not doing the reversal here. In fact, we are going to do the wave 4 here. So what I will have to do after the video, haven't had the time to do so, but I will adjust the wave count here. I will have to see all of this as just an ABC correction, which, I mean, you can see it can be counted as 3 waves as well, but it was as the point, it was possible to count it as a 5-wave impulse as well to the upside. We made it from the reversal area down here to the reversal area up here to the next reversal area here. But the point was we needed to see how long the downtrend would be, and as I said before, this correction that we anticipated to start here, but we didn't of course know how low it would go, but as I said, we expected some kind of a correction here, and we said that this correction, which started up here at around $4,300, would be a stress test for the bullish scenario. And I think it was stressed quite a lot, and it is not viable anymore to look at a bullish, well, you could argue it's still a bullish scenario, because we're not gonna fall massively, at least not in the new scenario. So what I have to do, I have to move the wave 4 over here. I don't think it's reasonable anymore to assume that this was a wave 4 low. My view now is that this is the wave 4 low, and I'm going to readjust here some of the internals, which I'll do after the video, as I said. But the point is, the new reversal area, the adjusted count, the adjusted forecast would assume that we have another chance to reverse in the area between 3,350 and 3,600. Now, if we don't reverse in this area, and my primary expectation is now that we will do it, but if we don't, then I will have to move into the camp of people who say that we're probably going to see quite a long bear market here and will not see new highs next year, and it would be quite a bearish outlook, okay? Which I might touch upon in the next video or next couple of videos. But this is really just an update here to say that, we haven't made a new low yet, but we will in the next few days or weeks get into this area, and we're now still, you could argue here, in an ABC correction. But again, I will adjust the counts, and we should get into this area. So expect new lows in the next coming weeks. And at the moment, this is still short term, not too much of a drop that would be expected. I mean, in the best case, it would only be something like a 2% drop. In the worst case, as per this scenario, it would be an 8.5% drop. Now, 8.5 is quite a bit for the S&P 500, but from the top here at around 4,300, if you look at that, I mean, we dropped also already like 15%. So it would only be, let's say, take half of that in percent, and that would be, in the worst case in this scenario, be another drop. What I need to say is that a lot of stocks, they actually pretty much are in the process of bottoming out. They really actually don't allow anymore for many more significant lows. So I am, at least at the moment, quite optimistic we could reverse here, but as I said, I will give you a, let's say, longer term outlook in the next video, which will probably come out tomorrow. Okay, and that's my update about the S&P 500. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.